Hey there, it's me, Amber. I'm the founder of Brow Envy, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we created this before and after eyeliner transformation with our Lash Enhancement Eyeliner technique. I'm going to be talking to you about how the appointment will go, who is a candidate and who's not, what the prep and aftercare process is like, and so much more. So if that sounds interesting to you, you're going to want to keep watching. First, let's talk about what's going to happen when you come in. Prior to your arrival, you're going to go through a pre-screening process, which our front desk staff will assist you with to make sure you're a candidate and make sure you know how to prepare. Then when you come in, we're going to do a consultation with you about color and the design, and we're going to take some before photos so we can showcase your transformation. When we talk to people about permanent eyeliner, a lot of people are really nervous about having something done so close to their eye, which is totally understandable, and that is totally why we made this video. We wanted to show you how simple it is and how you will be super comfortable. We are going to apply numbing like you see here in this video, and you'll relax for about 30 minutes while that takes effect. And most people would describe the feeling throughout the procedure as a mild discomfort at best, not truly like pain. If you've had other permanent makeup, this will be the easiest thing you've had done. Since you do have to hang out for about a half an hour for your numbing to take effect and keep your eyes closed for that time and the tattoo time, we really recommend bringing headphones like you see Joscelyn has here. It just helps to give you something to listen to and help you relax. We offer two types of permanent eyeliner at Brow Envy. The first is what you see being done in this video, which is Lash Enhancement Liner, and the second is a designer liner. They're very similar, so let's talk about the differences. Lash Enhancement Liner is a thin line that goes between your lash line. So it helps to make your lashes look thicker and make them look like you have more of them. It's a really thin line that's super close to the lash line though, so it is not going to be the most dramatic look. It again just makes your lashes look thicker, makes you look more awake and alert every day without even trying. The second of our eyeliner techniques is the designer liner. So this is similar to the Lash Enhancement Liner, except the line's going to be thicker. So for those of you who want to see an eyeliner that's above your lash line and a little bit more noticeable, this is going to be for you. Designer liner can also include a small wing. So if you want to see a little bit of liner extended beyond the lashes, that kind of wings upward, we can do that as well with designer liner. What we don't do is any sort of super heavy shading to make like a smudgy liner. We also don't do any really large, long, extended wings. Now, before I go any further into prep and aftercare, I just want to point out here on the video how relaxed Joscelyn is. She's not experiencing significant pain or major discomfort. She's able to handle the eyeliner procedure just fine with our numbing technique. Now, for preparation before your appointment, it's pretty simple. You're going to avoid anything that can cause your skin to be super sensitive or anything that could cause you to bleed, which is typically things like heavy caffeine intake, fish oils, aspirin. We'll ask you to limit those in our prep instructions. You're also going to have to avoid a lash growth serum of any brand, any kind, for at least 4 weeks before your appointment. This is because that can thin out your skin and cause you to bleed during your session, which we don't want. If you wear contacts, we recommend that you don't wear them on the day of your appointment and you wear your glasses instead. And this is because your eye is going to be closed for a while and it's going to be rubbed a lot because we do have to wipe the ink and apply numbing. So that can be uncomfortable just having your contacts move around on your eye, and you may feel like your eye gets a little dry. Eyeliner requires 2 appointments when you first sign up. So you're going to come the first time and then you're going to come back 6 to 8 weeks later for your free touch-up for us to perfect things. All of the prep and aftercare that you do for the first appointment, you have to do again for the second appointment. After you come for your first 2 appointments, your maintenance appointments are going to be scheduled as needed. Eyeliner lasts for a pretty long time, depending on how thick the line is that you get. But most people are going to come for a touch-up around every 1.5 to 2 years. And when you do that, they're just maintenance appointments because they haven't gone away completely. So you only ever need 1 appointment again every 18 to 24 months. Aftercare is super easy. You're going to avoid makeup on your eyelid and any oils or water. You're going to keep that off of your eyelid until they're healed. In around a week, they will get a little flaky as they scab, but nothing noticeable to other people. You just have to make sure you don't pick them. As with all brow envy appointments, we are always going to hand you the mirror towards the end of your session and see what you think about them and see if you want to make any tweaks or if we need to plan any for your free touch-up, and that will complete your appointment.